Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Luyanda Madonia. If you're new here, thank you for coming. And if you're an oldie, welcome back. So today's video, I'm actually doing a get ready with me. I'm going to my friend's exhibition, which is super cool because it's during lockdown and artists have been starving, guys. Like they have no work, especially in South Africa. So he put this whole thing together, which is dance, art, and fashion and poetry. So I'm going to Braamfontein, Johannesburg, and to go check that out. So I decided, let me put a look together, honey. So I'm going to show you exactly how I got this look. And I want you guys to tell me, did I do good? Because it's my first time doing a graphic liner. So help me. Did I do good? If you have any pointers, please can you comment below after the video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Thank you so much to all 310 of you so far. I really appreciate you. And make sure that you like this video and share it. Share it with your friends and your fam. I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm just going to quickly brush up my eyebrows. I'm a huge fan of the beach brow look, so that's the vibe I'm going to do. I just use a normal black powder that you found in whatever palette that you have. That's what I use for my eyebrows most of the time. So I'm going to use the Swiitch Beauty Bleach Brow Gel, tongue twister. I love this thing. This is basically like edge control for your brows, guys. I'm just saying. I dig it. So because I've got kind of like dark lids naturally, I always put like the concealer on. So this is Estee Lauder's Double Wear Concealer. I'm just going to mattify it and kind of set it with this translucent powder from Swiitch Beauty, just so that I can try get the color out from the palette. Alright, I'm going to be using the Swiitch Beauty palette Slay for Days, and right now I'm using the color Tandy just to start off this graphic look that I'm trying to do. I just went in with the color Emma just to give a little bit of shimmer, because I'm a dramatic hun. I think you guys know this by now. I mean, it's shimmering, but it's not like out there, you know? So, I don't know about the, what do you call it, pigmentation of this color yet. Okay, this is where I need the color to really pop. I'm going in with the color Mpo on the same palette from Swiitch Beauty. Okay, I'm going and it's not coming out the color that I wanted it to be. So the pigmentation on its own, without any enhancements with like a lighter concealer or starting out with white, is not that pigmented, which is quite disappointing because I had a whole vision. But I'm just trying to keep on going until something happens on my skin color. Because I'm trying to go for an angled eyeshadow look so that it can complement the graphic eyeliner. I mean, hello? Swiitch Beauty, come through. Why? So I'm going back in with the color Emma just to fill in all the way to the last color that I used. Okay, now we're gonna do some eyeliner. This is the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in blue, actually, because my black ran out. So, improvisation. Okay, time to conceal all those spots. I don't have too bad of bags, but I still like to cover them just a little bit. And I don't have a lot of spots either. I'm not someone that uses a lot of products on my face anyways. Okay, now it's time, guys. It's time. I am gonna do this graphic look with one of my favorite eyeliners ever, liquid liners. This is the Swiitch Beauty Liquid Luck. And it really is, you need luck, eh? You really need luck to do a liquid liner, honey. You need to pray to the black Jesus. Okay, my bad for this angle. I didn't even realize that I wasn't capturing the beginning stages of this thing. So I fully apologize. But you're gonna see it now. Hello. Not bad. Okay. All right. Just a little bit of touch-ups, but I'm digging it. What do you guys think? Do you think I nailed this graphic look? It's not finished yet though. Let me know what you think. Okay, my favorite. We got to give it a little bit of a little bit of a room, a little bit of a meow with a cat corner eye situation. I don't know what it's really called, but that's what I'm calling it. And I must say, I think I'm getting pretty good at this. What do you think? So I'm gonna go back with that color that disappointed me underneath my eyes, just to give it a full round 360-degree look on the eye. Still can't see anything. Okay, it's time to do some highlight. I'll be using the Gerard Cosmetics Lucy Star Powder. This is my go-to highlight. Alright, it's time to mattify this face and make it a one color situation. I'll be using the LA Girl HD Pro Face Matte Powder. I'm thinking I'm gonna need a lighter color because my skin color has changed. Okay, time to contour. I'm using the MAC Powder Blush Matte in color Film Noir. So I'm not a contouring hun. I don't know those things. So I just do what I think is cool and what looks good on me. But if you guys have any suggestions, holla at your girl. And then you have to tell me what color as well. If whatever product is, you have to tell me what color for me. Otherwise, I will never switch. So I'm taking that same powder and putting it down my nose just to give it a little bit of shadow, highlight, definition so I don't look like a potato. time for the gods to see my cheekbones from the heavens above, honey. Yes, going back in with the Gerard Cosmetics Lucy Star Powder. She comes through. She is the girl that she thinks she is. Just gonna hide that little moustache there, quick. Just a little bit of Estee Lauder concealer, thank you. Blend it all so it doesn't look like two streaks of highlight and contour. So just blending it. So like I said before in my previous videos, I don't use setting sprays. I've never found one that was nice for me. So I just go in with the Swiitch Beauty translucent powder. This is called the Swiitch Beauty Bounce. And for me it works. It mattifies the face and vibes. Okay, let's get these eyelashes rising. I'm using the Essence Cosmetics Maximum Definition Mascara. If you've seen my previous videos, you know me and this girl are best friends, honey. I mean, look at before and after. Can we have a chat? Amazing. I'm definitely gonna fix that weird liner mark on my eyelids real soon. Oh yeah. Why didn't you guys tell me I had that this whole time? Alright, let's give it in for some bottom lashes. I need to be twiggy when I step out of my house. They need to be all the way down to my nose and everyone needs to see them. Yes, come through Essence Mascara. Okay guys, that's the final look on the eyes. My favorite part is putting on lipstick, oh my gosh. So I'm using the LA Girl Metal Liquid Lipstick in the color Illuminate, and that's exactly what she's doing. I mean, check that metallic. I'm here for it. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for getting to the end of this video. Let me know if I nailed this graphic liner look in the comments. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye dolls.